Okay, check this out. This little creek is about to make free power. No joke. Look, it works. A wood wheel spins in the water. It turns an old motor, and that motor runs this fan all by itself. No battery, no plug, no power bill, just water. Want to make one too? If you enjoy this video, hit that save button and don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's all you need: a wood frame, 2 pipes, a wood wheel, a small motor, a chain, some bolts, and a little fan to test it. That's it. About 40 bucks. Now let's build it. First, make a strong wood frame and set it by a little waterfall. Next, stick 1 pipe in the top to grab the water. Add a second pipe to send it down to the wheel. Squeeze it tight so the water shoots out fast, like your thumb on a hose. Then pop the wheel on the frame and make sure it spins nice and free. Bolt it down tight. Now add the motor on a little plank and hook it to the wheel with the chain. The wheel turns slow but strong. The motor needs to spin fast. The chain does that trick. Last step, point the water right at the wheel. And, whoa, it spins. The chain pulls the motor. The motor makes power. Plug in the fan, and it's alive. Free power, just from water. How cool is that? Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments.